Okay, so I'm starting out with my spoolie brush here, just brushing my brow hairs into place, up and out. Now I'm going to grab a tiny amount of the brow pomade in the shade Auburn, brush off any excess on the sides, and start with my lower perimeter. Tiny, tiny brush strokes. This brow brush is amazing for this. It is perfect precision. I love it. It was so easy to use. Just getting that perfect brow shape going, and don't forget these products are cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. Now I'm going to be going into the top perimeter and just giving that outline that I like and kind of just following the natural shape of my brow. Again, just tiny little strokes. Another thing that I love about this product is that it's an all-in-one product, so it includes the brow gel and everything in it that will help control my very unruly hairs. Now I'm just going to take my spoolie brush and comb through all of that. It looks more natural, gets the product through there, also helping control my brow hairs. Now this product is buildable, which is awesome. So every time I brush through it, it can fade and lighten however I'd like, and then I can go back over the top and add more definition, giving my eyebrows depth, which is pretty awesome how they formulated this. Just continuing to touch up in areas as I see fit. I'm going to grab some Bellamy concealer here. Alright, now I'm just going to take that concealer right along the edges of my brow to create definition and clean up any mistakes I may have made. Just following that down all the way down the tail end of my brow. Now I'm going to finish up the front end of my eyebrow, creating a small like ombre effect by bringing the perimeter forward, and then I'm going to be taking my spoolie brush. Yeah, there it is. And I'm just going to rub that back and forth, dragging that pomade color forward just a lot lighter and giving me that ombre faded look. And then I'll grab my pomade again and give those little hair strokes to make it even more natural. Little brush strokes and touch-ups here and there. I swear I could do my eyebrows for like an hour. Take a look. The true test. Are you guys ready to see if we're about to ruin all of my makeup? Oh! It's not going anywhere. It really is smudge proof. Okay, I don't want to pull in my eyes too much, but that is not going anywhere. Oh my gosh. They were not lying whenever they said it was smudge proof. So that's pretty cool. Definitely tricky learning a new product always, so don't ever feel discouraged about that. You just gotta keep control of the product, which is much easier with this tiny brow brush for sure. 10 out of 10, love this stuff, snag it. Bellamy did an incredible job with this.